Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Adventures of Kramer. So one thing I've been trying to do on the channel is to try and film better with a GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition that I'd bought and done a review on. One thing that I'm having trouble with is whenever I actually connect it up with the included cable. So here it is, this guy right here, and I connect up the USB to my computer. The computer recognizes that there's a USB attached, but I can't access any of the files. And I've gone through online, done all the different downloads, things like that, and I can't get it to work. The solution that it ended up coming up to on their website, what some of you guys helped post in some of the comments below, was just to get an actual memory card reader. And so I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little showing of what this one's all about and go from there. Let's get started. Okay, here we go. So I picked up this one at Best Buy. It ended up costing $25. It was $5 more than another one. It includes something called Compact Flash. It's something I've never used before. They did have another version that was just an SD card reader and a micro SD card reader that was a little bit smaller, but it did not look like it was USB 3.0. It was black on the color of the port right here. So like it was just a 2.0. So I figured I'd try and go for a little bit higher one, since some of these files in 4K are definitely pretty good size. And it just, that's the nicest part about it. It's, again, SD, micro SD, the compact flash. And it'd be interesting to see what those actually look like or what even uses them. And it comes with a little USB cable and gotta go from there. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed here and see what we got inside and try out some quick file transfer tests here. So it says that it can work for Windows and Mac devices. So nice secure packaging inside there. Again, saying USB 3.0 format. Whoa, those compact flash cards are huge. They almost remind me of the old zip drive type pieces. My word, it's insane, the different technology, how much has changed over time. Doing one of the different things I was filming today, I was even talking to a guy about how it's amazing how much technology has changed to the point to where I remember back when I was in high school, and just for a reference here, my dad, he ended up buying a 1 gigabyte flash drive, and that was just amazing to be able to have that. And I mean, I think I remember it cost like $120 for 1 gigabyte. And now I picked up a 2-pack of 128 gigabyte micro SD cards, these little teeny tiny things, for I think it was like $40 at Costco for a 2-pack. I'm just like, it just blows my mind, the amount of different stuff that you can start to fit on here. So, well, let's check out the cable real quick here, which actually, I'm super happy to be able to find this particular style of cable, because I have an old hard drive, a portable hard drive, that actually takes that style of USB 3.0 to be able to connect into here, and I lost it. So I don't even remember what is actually on this storage drive. I don't even remember how big it is. Wow, it's a 4 terabyte. Well, sweet. That's going to be nice to be able to set and hook up for some more games, or just some actual more storage for videos on the channel and stuff. So nice, decent sized cable there. Whoa, light fell over. So yeah, get that nice little connection right there. Blue showing that it's USB 3.0. Wonder if they're changing colors for 3.1 or not. But that's nice to be able to help see that. Check out, see what we have for the double plastic. Okay. Let's see here. Ha! Ooh. Nice and shiny there. I like that. Must be a little light when it's actually being accessed. Got the port for connecting up on the back. Feels like a nice secure connection there. What do we got on the bottom here? USB 3.0. Insignia, made in China, FCC. No idea what that thing on the bottom stands for. But again, we got the SD card reader right there. And then we also have the micro SD. So let's try and test out really quick here. I don't have a compact flash, but oh, I did just have a moment ago a micro SD card. And then that fell over and I lost it. Well, let me find one really quick here and let's just see how it does for putting on. So I finally found a micro SD card. So this is the 32 gig that actually came with the GoPro. So then let's check and see. It looks like the indent is on the right side. Just see how well it fits in there. Oh, sorry. Put it the right way here. Indent on the right side. Just pushes in there. It's not bad. Yeah, I like that. Let's see if I have a regular SD card. So I have one of the adapters here. Just link one, see how that fits in. Nice. So still looks nice and easy to be able to set and grab. Be able to set and try and access that. I don't have to use like fingernails or anything to set and grab it. Slides in and out nice and easy. Cool. So one thing. Okay, so ended up figuring out how to do some research because I thought something was wrong. But apparently these SanDisk Extreme Plus, or like even just the Extreme micro SD cards, yeah, they'd hit nowhere near 3.0 speeds. They max out and will do bursts of 90 megabytes a second on helping to transfer, but to be able to actually set and send, they average out at like the 52, and that was what I was seeing. I mean, I would see an initial burst hitting upwards of like 80 to 90, and then it would slow right back down to 52 and just stay nice and level from there. So that's still really nice. I got to start checking out some more stuff though, but it works just like it's supposed to. So the actual SD card reader and everything, it does exactly what it says. It's nice and easy to move in and out. It's way easier to get the micro SD card in and out of this reader than it is to get out of the GoPro itself. It's annoying on the GoPro to actually, you have to power it off, take out the battery, and then I can set and access. I don't have little fingernails to be able to set and get to that micro SD card. So with that though, I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you have some different tips or tricks on transferring files, things like that, definitely let me know. Post comments down below, hit the like button. Peace, everybody.